Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Low English Dictionary channel. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
when we post. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
Now today we're going to talk about household chores, but we're going to make sentences out of household chores. And we start with washing clothes. So what's washing clothes in Luo? Washing is luoko.
Luoko.
And clothes are leuni.
Leoni.
So washing clothes is
Luoko leoni.
luoko leuni. I think you have to talk louder. Washing clothes is
Luoko leoni.
luoko leuni. So I want to wash clothes. What did I say?
Adwaro luoko leoni.
Yes, correct. Adwaro luoko leuni. I want to wash clothes. If you have utensils and you want to arrange utensils before you leave the kitchen, what would you say?
Adwaro.
Now, arrange took its meaning from Swahili of panga. So, arrange, you say pango.
Pango.
Adwa pango sende kapok awuok.
Adwa pango sende kapok awuok.
Yeah, I want to arrange the utensils before I leave. Then, if you want to clean the house, what do you say?
Duster?
You remember duster is English?
Yeah. No, but there's a duster for kitchen.
So, what do you say? Adwa?
Adwa.
So, if you want to clean the house, you say, Adwa yueyo ot.
Adwa yueyo ot.
Adwa yueyo ot. Say it again.
Adwa yueyo ot.
Yes. Stop holding the microphone. You're bringing noise. Adwa yueyo ot. Making a bed. Now, spread your bed. Have you spread your bed in Luo?
Ise
Pedo.
pedo
Otanda.
otanda.
Be ise pedo otanda.
Be ise pedo otanda.
Have you spread your bed? Chiew sa oseromo. What does that mean?
Wake up, the time is up.
Yeah, time is up. Please wake up. Chiew sa oseromo. Okay? And there is a tongue twister in Luo with the C that starts with C. It's you say chiew chiege. Say that.
Chiew chiege.
Chiew chwako chai.
Chiege chiew chwako chai.
Chai chiek chon chieng chiro.
Chai chiek chon chen chiro.
Chiew chiego. Chiew. Chiew chung chiew chiege.
Chiew chung chiew chiege.
Chiege chung chwako chai.
Chiege chung chwako chai.
Chai chiek chon chieng chiro.
Chai chiek chon chen chiro.
Chiew chung chiew chiege.
Chiew chung chiew chiege.
Chiege chung chieko chai.
Chiego chung chiego chai.
Chai chiek chon chieng chiro.
Chai chiek chon chen chiro.
That's a tongue twister. You can try it out. Now the next thing is I'm cooking dinner. How do you say that in Luo?
Aloso. Atedo.
Now dinner is chiemo ma.
Chiemo ma usiku.
Which is, how do you say that in English? Atedo chiemo ma otieno.
Atedo chiemo ma otieno.
That is, I'm cooking dinner. Okay? I'm reading. I'm reading a book.
Asomo kitabu.
Asomo kitabu or asomo book.
Asomo book.
Okay? I'm ironing my clothes. Agoyo
Agoyo fast.
Agoyo lepa pas.
Agoyo le papas.
Agoyo le papas. I'm ironing my clothes. And I'm folding my clothes. Quickly. Fold. Starts with a B.
Abano leoni.
Yes, abano leoni. I'm cleaning the windows. I'm washing the windows.
Aluoko window.
Aluoko
Dirisha.
Aluoko dirisa. I'm brushing shoes. Agoyo wuoche
rangi.
Yes, agoyo wuoche rangi. I'm wiping the table. Wiping table. I'm wiping table.
Ayueyo
mesa. Okay. Those are some of the sentences that you can use in Luo language. Okay. Tieki.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell to never miss a video that we post when we post.
Straight again. Unajua kamera iko nini iko hapa?
Okay.
Sasa ukifanya hivi inatoka tu. I don't want those types of videos.
Make sure you subscribe and
if you enjoyed this video.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe, give it a like and comment down below what else you think we should do for our future videos.
You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, YouTube, Instagram, and we now have website.
Yeah.
Everything is www.luoenglishdictionary.com.
Visit luoenglishdictionary.com to find information from us for future videos.
Check. Microphone check. Chukua microphone.
Check 1 2, check 1 2, microphone check. Check 1 2, microphone check. Check 1 2.
Sawa. Imeshaanza kurekodi.
Okay.
Sasa hakuna whatever. Hakuna bloopers. Check.
Check 1 2.
Sema.
Check 1 2.
Louder.
Check 1 2.
Aye, answer. House. We are going to look at house chores and create sentences around house chores.
Okay.
Aye, enda.